What's up, y'all? This is Copachewer93 with a special guest here today. I had him on my videos before, but it's been like a fucking year. Anyways, welcome back, Big Tank.
What's up?
What we gonna be chewing on today while we walk down this trail with y'all is some beech nut chaw. Hold that. Just face it towards me. Okay. This is the same bag of beech nut I had
4 months ago.
like 4 months ago when I made that video about it. Why don't you just hold it like this? I don't want you to drop it. That's a brand new phone. I'm gonna take some and I'm gonna pass it over to him.
Or the other stuff we got.
We also got Copenhagen long cut.
But it
hasn't been opened in 4 months, and look how fucking fresh that shit is.
doesn't look very fresh, but whatever.
Yes, it is. Want some?
You go first. Since I gotta hold the camera.
You're only facing it like at my chest.
Butter. Shit's gonna be different than my freaking. Hey, you're down. Up.
Fuck it. You usually drop some chow when you're putting it in your mouth. Yeah, I also had a can of Copenhagen long cut original in my back pocket. We obviously don't have a mud jug at the day because, you know,
We're outside. We just used the ground.
we're in the woods. You know, doing what we usually do. If you pay attention to my videos that I had last summer, some of them had the song Country Road by the Lax. It was actually recorded on this trail. Some of those shots that are in it were recorded on this trail. This shit will make you spit black. I don't know what makes you spit black worse, Stokers or Chaw.
Stokers. I held that in for a good 10 minutes and I spit and it was just black, pure black. Yeah, that's cancer spitting.
It's not as bad as Darcy when he made that fucking YouTube video of when he did the
Full log.
Copenhagen
wintergreen.
Dude, yeah. I could have swore Darcy fucking puked cancer.
See? We're in the woods. Proof.
Good old woods of McKean County, Pennsylvania. I think actually when I made that video last summer with us doing the music video for Country Roads.
Yeah. You missed RJ doing the whole. Somebody did.
It was Sean. That was recording. But yeah, also this was a trail that we used to come on and just smoke dope.
Every day? All day?
He used to. I think. I don't know if he still does.
During the day.
And depending on what kind it is and depending on where you're. I already got fucking bit. And I haven't even been out here for 5 minutes. Oh well.
You're fat. They love the fat blood.
That's kind of racist. No, I'm kidding. My arm's actually getting kind of tired. Let's walk and venture down this trail. I actually don't even know if I can switch the camera view to so you guys can see what we're seeing. Hold on, I'm going to see real quick. Well, I tried. It didn't work very well. But yeah, just two good old boys out here in the woods. That leads down to the creek.
Yes, we're going to the creek.
I don't know. I'd rather just keep walking. Yeah, since neither of us are wearing the proper shoes to be out in the woods with.
Who gives a fuck?
This is also a really, really good mudding trail. He's going to attempt to jump it. Oh, he made it. You guys couldn't see it, but he made it. I thought you were white.
Me?
Yeah, I thought you were white.
Nah, I got a little bit of black.
I see. So, I saw this picture on Facebook the other day of this bug bite, and it said that that mosquito was a dick that bit me because his fucking mosquito bite was in the shape of a dick and balls. All right, hold on 1 second. Anyways, sorry, we were walking, and I didn't want to end up dropping my phone because I'm recording this off my cell. That's a nice little thing that we're coming up onto. There's a tree down. There was a chipmunk.
Eat it.
He's gone now.
Might be Alvin. Theodore. Simon. Maybe one of the Chipettes.
Turkey!
They got turkey.
Holy fuck, dude. Alright, well. Well, that makes more sense. Okay, not really. Oh, fuck it. I'll do it the simpler way. Well, now I'm just sitting on the tree that fell. I'm like riding it.
I went through the difficult way. Got mudded. I'm farther than he is.
All I did was walk across. Man.
That tree wasn't down.
It's a bunch of skeeters over this area.
There's a skeeter on your feet, or whack it off.
Whack it off. I actually like that song. It's funny as hell. Yeah, actually.
See these tracks?
Some are deer and some are, I think, coon.
This one back here is very back one.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a silent.
What do y'all think? Well, that one's a deer. That's obvious. That one right there.
That one's a coon. That very back one I first came to looks like a. It was chasing the deer and the coon. It was home.
I'm hungry. I don't really understand why there's this random pipe in the ground that has holes in it. Yeah, up here soon, actually, is actually the beginning shot of that video. Somebody was actually just through here not long ago.
Mm-hmm.
Ground's all wet. Someone was in here with a truck. Hey, wanna know how you can tell when you're a redneck? When you can tell if your friends have been through here just by the track, just by their tire track.
Who's that?
I don't know. I'm just saying. Well, this is a nice little nature walk. I mean, saw a turkey, saw a chipmunk.
Saw my foot go up your ass.
The fuck it is.
Show me my motherfucking boot.
I can't wear my boots. Some bitch fucking broke my boot string. I don't have the money for it.
Steal some off of a nigga.
Yeah, right now we're actually coming up to where the beginning of that video actually started. Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all go. Since it is summertime, now I got a cell phone, I don't have to use a fucking laptop. I'll probably be having more nature dip videos. I've just been wanting to do dip videos for a while. Hell, the last one I made was a month ago, and the one before that one was like 2 or 3 months before. Anyways, this is Copa Chewer 93, Big Tank. Catch y'all later.